Whether you're commuting daily, hitting the open road, or just parking in a busy lot, a quality dashcam is one of the smartest investments you can make for your vehicle. In 2025, dashcams are smarter, sharper, and more reliable than ever, offering features like 4K video, AI-powered incident detection, cloud backups, and even driver assistance tools. From budget-friendly models to high-end systems with front, rear, and interior coverage, this year's lineup has something for everyone. Here are the best dashcams of 2025 to keep you protected behind the wheel. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best dashcams and their key feature, as plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Viofo A229 Pro 4K 60 FPS Dashcam. For drivers demanding the sharpest footage, the Viofo A229 Pro is a top-tier dashcam in 2025. It boasts a front camera that records in crisp 4K at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth playback and detail for fast-moving vehicles and license plates. The 2K rear camera complements the setup, making it one of the highest-resolution dual-channel systems available. The dashcam is powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, enhanced with HDR technology for excellent low-light performance. Night footage remains clean and detailed, perfect for city driving and highways. Features include built-in GPS and dual-band Wi-Fi for quick file transfers and tracking. A user-friendly app aids in managing recordings. Additionally, the Pro's advanced parking modes provide added security, offering buffered recording and time-lapse options. Other thoughtful features like voice alerts and a clear display cater to all drivers. Although it is on the pricier side, the A229 Pro justifies its cost with superior specs, image quality, and reliable performance, making it ideal for those who prioritize video clarity. Number 4. Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dashcam. The Vantru N4 is a powerhouse in the dashcam world, purpose-built for users who demand complete video coverage inside and outside their vehicles. With its triple-channel setup, the N4 simultaneously records from the front, interior, and rear cameras, making it a standout choice for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers, as well as families seeking maximum security. The front camera captures footage in stunning 4K resolution, while both the interior and rear-facing cameras deliver crisp 1080p video, ensuring that every angle is covered with clarity. What makes the N4 truly unique is its dedication to driver and passenger safety. The interior camera is equipped with infrared night vision, allowing it to capture detailed footage inside the cabin even in total darkness. This feature is ideal for rideshare drivers working at night or for documenting incidents inside the vehicle. All 3 cameras use Sony Starvis sensors and wide dynamic range WDR technology to optimize exposure and deliver high-quality video in a variety of lighting conditions, from harsh sunlight to dim tunnels. While the Vantrue N4 lacks built-in Wi-Fi or app connectivity, it makes up for it with a robust feature set including loop recording, G-sensor-based emergency event detection, and a parking mode for motion-triggered recording while the vehicle is off. It also supports optional GPS tracking via an external module and accepts microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes, making it practical for long trips or heavy use. Though priced at a premium, the Vantrue N4 delivers exceptional build quality and reliability. It's ideal for professional drivers and safety-conscious users who want comprehensive, always-on surveillance of their vehicle. If you're serious about full 360-degree video protection, the N4 is one of the most capable and trusted options available today. Number 3. Viofo A129 Pro Duo 4K Dual Dashcam. Viofo's A129 Pro Duo is a favorite among tech-savvy drivers for its balanced blend of performance, reliability, and value. It features a 4K front camera and full HD rear camera, delivering exceptional video clarity with the help of a Sony Starvis sensor and advanced image processing. This dual-channel setup ensures all angles of your vehicle are recorded in detail, perfect for capturing both road activity and rear-end incidents. Wi-Fi and GPS are built in, making it easy to manage recordings and embed speed and location data into your videos. The A129 Pro Duo also supports CPL filters and external Bluetooth remote controls for added convenience. A capacitive button allows you to quickly save crucial moments during drives. This dashcam is notable for its parking mode capabilities, offering buffered recording and motion detection to ensure footage is captured before and after incidents while parked. With support for up to 256GB microSD cards, you'll have plenty of storage for longer trips or constant daily use. While slightly bulkier than some rivals, the Viofo A129 Pro Duo's robust feature set, premium image quality, and proven reliability make it a solid investment for commuters, rideshare drivers, or road trip enthusiasts who want serious coverage front and rear. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dashcam. The ROVE R2-4K is a compact yet feature-rich dashcam that delivers excellent value for money. Designed for drivers who prioritize video clarity and reliability without breaking the bank, this camera captures ultra-clear footage in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. The 150-degree wide-angle lens ensures a broad field of view, effectively reducing blind spots and covering up to 3 lanes of traffic. It performs well even in low-light conditions thanks to advanced night vision powered by Sony's IMX335 sensor and ROVE's proprietary software tuning, making it especially useful for nighttime city driving or capturing license plates in the dark. The R2-4K offers built-in Wi-Fi, allowing users to easily download and manage recordings through the dedicated ROVE app, which is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. It also includes GPS capabilities, recording accurate location and speed data that can prove essential in the event of an accident or dispute. The interface is user-friendly and supports voice guidance, simplifying setup and daily operation even for those new to dashcams. Safety and security features include a G-sensor for automatic impact detection and emergency recording, loop recording to overwrite old footage when storage is full, and a time-lapse mode designed for 24-hour parking surveillance. While it lacks a rear camera, the ROVE R2-4K excels as a single-lens solution, offering superior video quality and reliability at a competitive price. Its premium build quality, intuitive software, and strong community support further enhance its reputation as one of the best single-channel dashcams in its class. Whether you're commuting, ride-sharing, or road tripping, the ROVE R2-4K is a trustworthy companion for everyday driving. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N K Dual Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7N has quickly emerged as a top choice among drivers who prioritize video clarity, reliable safety features, and ease of use in a dash cam. This dual-channel camera system is equipped with a powerful 4K Ultra HD front camera and a 2.5K rear camera, ensuring high-resolution footage from both ends of your vehicle. Whether you're capturing scenic drives or gathering crucial evidence in the event of an accident, the REDTIGER F7N delivers exceptional visual detail day or night. One of the key technologies that sets it apart is the inclusion of the Sony Starvis sensor, which significantly enhances performance in low-light conditions. Paired with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, the F7N captures expansive views of the road, reducing blind spots and ensuring that every important detail is recorded. From tight urban traffic to open highways, it excels in diverse driving environments. A major highlight is the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi functionality. The GPS records your speed and location data, which is invaluable when submitting footage for insurance claims or legal purposes. Meanwhile, the Wi-Fi feature allows you to connect the camera to your smartphone via the dedicated app, making it simple to view, download, or share videos without having to remove the SD card. Additionally, the 24-hour parking monitor offers peace of mind when your car is unattended, capturing motion or impact-triggered events even when the engine is off. With loop recording, a user-friendly interface, and a bundled 64GB SD card, the REDTIGER F7N provides everything you need right out of the box, Whether you're a road trip enthusiast, rideshare driver, or daily commuter, this dash cam offers excellent performance, smart features, and outstanding value for its price. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.